Hello everyone. Today we will unbox and test the LED work light. This Protable LED work light is equipped with a DC/AC adapter, a multi-purpose essential, built-in large-capacity battery with long battery life and can be worked as a power bank to charge intelligent device such as phone, laptop etc. The lamp head is 120 degrees angle adjustable. 4 modes: strong light mode, the normal light mode, SOS mode, flash mode. Charging time about 5 to 6 hours will be full battery. 7.4 volts 10,000 milliamperes. Huge battery can last as long as 16 hours lighting time. Application: 45 watts LED rechargeable work light with 9 pieces high quality LED chips, perfect for power outage, natural disasters such as earthquake, typhoon, etc. Outdoor activities, night fishing, camping, hiking, warehouse operation, car workshop, garage, storage room, construction, maintenance projects, agricultural machinery, construction machinery, maritime affairs, traffic control, accident relief, emergency, etc. And it's very convenient to be carried. Magnetic base: 4 powerful magnets are mounted on the bottom of the product to firmly adhere to the surface of iron product, and it can be inverted or vertically attached to the items. Waterproof rate: IP67 waterproof and dustproof ratings. USB silicone part needs to be completely fixed for better waterproof performance.